In this video, we will demonstrate how to generate code inline with JetBrains AI Assistant in Writer on an ASP.NET web application. To begin, I will be running the default starter ASP.NET MVC Web Application template. I've opened the home page and placed my cursor at the bottom after the content on the page. To initiate the prompt text box, hit both the Ctrl key and the / key at the same time. A small text prompt will appear. For this example, I will ask it to use Bootstrap, which is included with the ASP.NET MVC Web Application template, and make a table with some columns for basic user information. I will also ask it to make some test data and add pagination. Then I will ask it to place that in a card with a border. The AI will begin to write the code for your and highlight the code it generated in green. A prompt at the top will appear to ask you to accept or not. Click Accept and then rerun your project to see the changes. You will now see a new table with a title, test user data, and pagination component. This is a great way to help start new tasks. Thanks for watching.